Are you planning a pregnancy? Then preconception, you should know the 4 important points. Start your folic acid tablets, get vaccinated against rubella, stop your alcohol and smoking habits completely, start a balanced diet at least 1 month before planning a pregnancy, and check your blood sugar level, thyroid status and hemoglobin typing of both husband and wife.
Habayakren bagi nong pathai kubor konrad kongkal sangma uloong bakam shimladon kanu ke jingmi na gede ke Jingiakren hendrai kene ke Jingiakren do kan hangai beteng na kapor syakapor uloong ba bro arteli gejela ki yang scam ban penbet no yupur usam bat bro arteli gejela kila shimikilat klenti benekren na Jingi sngothok jingmud ban penbet no yupur usam jong ki hendrai teli gejaka ki badan ha ke Jingiaka japut hapdeng ka Assam bat ka Meghalaya. Himanta Biswa Sarma ulapan paw ke jengkong san jong ki artli gejela ban trailang ban penbet yo put usam ban paw ke jengkermen ban la ban penbet no ya put usam jong ki hindrut li gejaka ki badan ke jengi per jingmut ulong bahau benai Risaw hadin balakut ke dorbar senrai jong yang dorbar tawan kan sedan ke jengi kendo hapdeng ke Assam ban ke Meghalaya ban yakren ban penbet Himanta Biswa Sarma ulong bahaswa bagi menteri rangba kinelet lang ban jurip ya kajaka kaput ki kwa ban shimshwa kilat klenti ban yo ashwa ke jingshania no patba ban ondala dep ikania ken selet ban jurip ki jaka hagi than kaput bat kine kren ru bagi patba ki ba shong hagi shnong kaput Menteri rangba ke Assam ul kentu ki patba haga jaka kaput ban penek ya ka shong suk shong san bat ki artli ki sarkar jela kila persang kat bala ban penbet no ki jingya kaja kat kum ke jinghun jong patba nabro artli ki jela.
And the Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya and myself, we had a small discussion on the issues of border issue that is being discussed between the two states. And as you're aware that this is an ongoing process, and every opportunity we get to discuss the matter helps us to get to a better understanding. So with that objective in mind, we took this opportunity to sit together and discuss about certain situations, certain conditions and certain issues that were coming up and how we could possibly move forward. So this is part of the exercise, part of the process. There is no definitive outcome of it, and this exercise time to time will continue. So I thank the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and the CEM of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous District Council and our Deputy Chief Minister who's heading the regional committee in Jingiakren Hills region for their time, and we had a very positive discussion on the matter, and we are hopeful that we'll be able to slowly and steadily move towards a resolution and also ensure that there is peace in that area, and the different misunderstandings that are coming once in a while, we hopeful that we'll be able to resolve those issues also.
As I was in Shillong, or I am in Shillong, I thought it proper to pay a visit to Sri Conrad Sangmaji. I met him. We discussed the ongoing works on the regional committees. There are a lot of progress. Recently, we could finally agreed on the survey post of on Hahim. Finally, it has been resolved that both government of Meghalaya and Assam could agreed on the border post. So there are a lot of progress is happening on both sides. We discuss about confidence building measure too. But today, as discussion was very unofficial and informal, we don't want to announce some decisions or something like that. Only thing is to say that this informal meeting will be followed by a formal meeting, and then of course whenever we meet formally we take some decision and we communicate to the press. So today meeting between the Chief Minister of Assam and Meghalaya can be treated as one of the confidence building measure, and I'd like to request our people in the both side of border to maintain peace, harmony, because they must remember that we are working overtime to resolve the dispute. We want to keep the best interest of people living in the both side of the border in our mind. We want to protect interest of the people living in border. So be calm, remain in peaceful, remain in peace, help us. We'll try to resolve the dispute to the satisfaction of both the people of Assam and Meghalaya. What we want to do, quickly hereafter we want to sit in a formal meeting, and then probably we'll be able to take some confidence building measure, and with that confidence building measures we'll visit the border, because we thought that our visit should not create tension, because if we both CM goes to the area and after our return there is a fresh tension, then people will blame us. So we want to quickly do quickly evolve some confidence building measures, and we hope to do that. That is why we said today. Thereafter we'll have a formal meetings. Once that confidence building measures are formalized, we'll both go to the site and we'll discuss with the people of border village also. When we went to Lampi, there was lot of festivity. So we want to go to the Karbi Anglong and Jaintia Hills also with the same kind of festivity.